What's up, guys?
Okay.
Today we're going to be doing a mine run, but here's the catch. We have to get a full bag of lava crystals.
Each of us. Yeah, like Gangle.
Each.
Like Gangle did in 2023 Prime.
Okay,
Gangle,
let's go.
Gangle, back!
Okay.
Gangle's Prime was actually king, bruh. Prime Andre and Mason Leak. Oh wait, guys, we can stop by some lava crystals here. Oh, dang it, there's none left. Oh, there's some gold, bud. RP, come on. Oh crap. Selling.
Yo, I know a place
come
where we can
coin,
get
no
more,
way.
but it's hard.
Oh no, we're not Vaughn. We're actually not Vaughn. I'm sorry.
Hell!
Sorry, bro. Yes, bro.
Over here, over here. Okay, we need to get a full bag of these.
I looked at your stuff and I found out that 25 out of 30% of your viewers are all Indian males.
No.
Okay, you guys forgot some. And some more.
We need one bag full of lava crystals.
Only one? Okay.
Only one.
Well, I have like
Alright,
5.
Alright, y'all, come on. This way.
I think my bag's the bag. Ah! Okay, now we're actually gonna do the real lava wall. Yeah, bye.
Now we gotta...
Hey, bomb.
Go all the way down, all the way down.
I know the way, guys. I know, boys.
Follow me.
I know the way. Ow! Wait, bud. I have like tons of weight for some reason. I'm a weighted. Because you got like 20,000 lavas.
Come on.
You know what names?
Well, I'm at 1,000. Fine.
Give me some of these, bro.
Alright, come on, come on.
Wait, I had to turn on my fire.
Over here.
Finn, stop hitting
Yeah,
me.
sheep.
Yeah, sheep. Stop hitting me. Like a gold
Die, spider.
Yes, bro. We're here. Oh, heart gun.
Alright, come on, over here.
Goldie. Gaggle, gaggle. What are you gaggling? Got some cum?
Come on. Down here. Over here, the vault.
Come on, bro. I just gotta get those cumps.
Alright, let's go.
You need some cups for a labor back? What do you think is it? Oh yeah! Dildo, dildo.
Come on.
What were you saying earlier, Sam?
All the way down.
Mr. Dingle still.
I'm sorry, George. Alright, just keep on going down. Do y'all know the way to get there?
Yeah,
Alright, I'm just gonna keep on going. Come on. Okay. This part sucks. Come on. Which way is it?
Man, what line you dropped your penis?
Bon appetito.
Anything. Yes, George.
Down.
Good.
Yeah!
Good dog, George. Good doggy. Orange. Yes, last.
Okay, just drop down. Just drop down. Now we're here. We are cooked. We're cooked.
Holy Free Treat Friday. Yes, we did it.
No. Okay, we may be cooked. All right, follow me.
Yeah, you're cooked. What?
Get all the way up here. Get all the way up here.
God, I see some guys. I see some boys. 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 Those ones are mine. Boys. Boys. Can we quit it? Whoa!
No! No! No!
I almost died, bro. Boys, I almost died.
We need 23 lava crystals.
Now we need 30.
I mine, y'all collect. I mine, y'all collect. I mine, y'all collect.
Oh, heck no, man, my grappler went in here.
Oh, we cooked.
Sam, where's my piggy?
I will mine them, y'all will collect them.
Sam, drop my piggy.
Well, I'll just collect them.
Oh, here's my piggy.
He died, somebody died, somebody died. I remember when these were so heavy. I think there still are.
Boys, I died. We know, Gaggle.
I may be cooked.
I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Collect them, collect them, collect them.
Oh, so we need these, Gaggle.
No. Dang it.
Get these ones. Bro, get these ones. And this.
Here, you collect them and I'll mine them, okay?
That's what I'm doing. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I don't think I can get more.
Why?
We need more just in case.
I have a backpack for that. Okay,
Okay.
where are they?
Boys, I'm almost back.
No, you don't need to come. It's done.
I got this.
I still want the lava crystal stuff.
Yeah, we'll get you some.
Yeah, man. But like, I want to mine, you know.
Well, you're gonna have to come here yourself. Because we're almost done.
Oh, bro. Nah, man, I just want to mine for fun, you know. So that's where I'm going.
Alright, come up here, come up here.
Wait.
Get up here, get up here. I wonder how much I got in my bag. Probably like 13. Come on.
Yeah?
Alright. Alright, come on, follow me. Stick to the top. Over here. Go over here. Go into it. Alright, we're back.
We're back, Gaggle Sam. I'm almost at lava.
Okay, dump out your stuff. Dump out your lava crystals.
In the thing?
No, right here. Because I want to see if we have a full bag.
Yo,
of them.
boys, you gonna come?
I don't think I do, but we can combine.
Okay, we may. Yeah, we probably do. It may be a full bag. It may not be.
Bro, if it's not,
We need 4 more.
do you know the internet glitch? Want me to teach you it?
No, we're not gonna do that.
But do you know it?
Please, I'm at lava.
No cheating this time.
I know, but do you know it?
Yeah, I went.
Like it respawns everything.
Somebody sells you and then turn off your internet. All right.
No, it's like if you go mining and then like that ore is gone. If you turn off your internet and turn it back on, it will just.
You're cooked. Oh, I got him.
There.
I'll check what's in it. If it's a good item, this is a success.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's a whole thing.
All right, we got the amount. Go back.
Okay, Gaggle.
Call me, Drip. Alright. Get our bag out. Oh my god.
Are we done?
Yep.
Let's go.
Fine, let me let me check. Yep, full bag.
Let's go.
That wasn't that hard.
Yeah, for everyone, if they need to know, this is what a full bag is.
Still.
So a full bag sells for a full 20 bag. So a lava crystal sells for
Think about 20K. Around that.
15.
But it's alright.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna be in
If you
the
join-
end of our video.
If you join code DRIP
VR.
VR,
We'll
you'll
be-
actually get millions.
Yeah, you'll get millions. We'll do giveaways. We'll
Yeah,
go
like Gaggle.
mining.
Yeah.
We'll do anything. Well, I'm just not
Can
a
you
modder,
add
so
me?
I cannot mod. I think I'm. Oh no.
But you VPN.
On the next video, I'm gonna show y'all a tutorial how to get the VPN. So see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Fuck you.